We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam on a Brother HL L2305. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and pull out your tray. If you see paper that's partially sticking out right here, you don't want to pull from the tray because that will be against the paper path. So what you want to do is open the door here, pull out your drum. Then you should see the other part of the paper here. Go ahead and gently pull it up and out. You never want to just yank it out because it could rip the paper off into the machine and cause more damage to sensors or more paper jams. Then if it's not there, what you want to do is go ahead and open the back of your printer. Then you should see it right here. What you would do is just take the paper, pull it up and out gently, and that should clear your jam. If you're still having issues, you may need to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.